Robbers hit Bulawayo Bureau de Change, escape with over $18,000 in daring heist. The 7th of September 2025, Bulawayo armed robbers have once again struck the heart of Zimbabwe's second-largest city, storming a Bureau de Change in Bulawayo's Central Business District, CBD, on Wednesday morning, and fleeing with over $18,000 and R151,000 after, overpowering security personnel in what police have described as a highly coordinated operation. National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyathi confirmed the incident, which occurred at around 8 a.m. at Nkolozi Investments, located on the first floor of the CIPF building, corner Jason Moyo Street and 9th Avenue. He added that investigations were ongoing, but pointed to the likelihood of an inside job. We suspect this could be an inside job because of the precision with which the robbery was executed. However, I want to assure the public that it is only a matter of time before the culprits are apprehended. Investigations are underway. Eyewitnesses described the terrifying ordeal that unfolded within minutes. One employee, too shaken to be identified, said the robbers moved with speed and confidence, leaving staff paralyzed by fear. It happened so fast that no one could react. They came in calm, then suddenly attacked the guard and took control. By the time we realized what was happening, they had already wiped the CCTV and grabbed the money. It was terrifying, the witness recounted. The robbers are believed to have fled on foot before escaping in a getaway vehicle parked nearby. The latest heist adds to a disturbing surge in violent robberies that has rocked Bulawayo in recent months. Criminal gangs have increasingly targeted forex traders, financial institutions, and businesses handling large sums of money, often deploying military-style precision. Just last month, suspected robbers shot and injured a 33-year-old forex dealer before making off with $4,000 and R60,000. Security analysts say Bulawayo's crime wave reflects broader socioeconomic hardships, with desperate individuals teaming up with sophisticated syndicates. Some groups are suspected of having links to rogue elements within the security services, raising fears that parts of the state apparatus may be compromised. In response, police have stepped up patrols and crackdowns on armed gangs, while urging businesses to tighten security protocols. Commissioner Nyathi advised financial institutions and forex traders to avoid transporting large sums of money without adequate security, upgrade surveillance systems with tamper-proof backups, limit access to sensitive security details to reduce the risk of inside jobs. As Bulawayo reels from yet another violent heist, the city's business community is demanding urgent and effective interventions to restore safety in a climate where criminals appear to be growing ever more bold, coordinated, and ruthless.